So Apple finally released iOS 18 beta 6 and it is global. So here I'm going to review the iOS 18 beta 6 features, what is new, then little changes that Apple made to the new iOS 18 beta 6 and how you can easily get the new iOS 18 beta 6 on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and you've been enjoying the new iOS 18 so far before the official release in a few weeks away, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, before we discuss about the new iOS 18 beta 6 features, let's see how you can easily download and install this update on your iPhone. So first, you just need to go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, scroll down, click on General. Once you selected General, scroll down and tap Software Update. Once you click on Software Update, you want to wait for the Software Update page to load, and once it loads, click on Update Now. You'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode, then go ahead and click on your iPhone passcode. After that, you'll be prompted to accept the terms and conditions, then tap the agree button at the bottom right, and then you should see a pop that says, I agree to the iOS terms and conditions, then click on agree. Then you should see the iOS 18 beta says update requested, and this is going to start downloading the iOS 18 beta 6 on your iPhone. Then once you have successfully downloaded and installed the iOS 18 beta 6, you'll be prompted to install it overnight. Now, once you've installed the iOS 18 beta 6, then we need to find out what are some of the features of the new iOS 18. The first noticeable feature of the new iOS 18 is in the control center. Then Apple now allows you to add a standalone Bluetooth to your iOS 18 instead of using the connectivity box where you have the Bluetooth pin there. Now you can now add a standalone Bluetooth to your iPhone on the iOS 18 beta 6 by just clicking on the control center, then click on add a control, then go ahead and search for Bluetooth. Now there is a new Bluetooth function under the connectivity that you can easily add to your iPhone. Is that? Now, instead of depending on the connectivity page to add the Bluetooth to your iOS 18, you can now add it separately on the control center. So that's one of the coolest features we now see on the iOS 18 beta 6 released recently. Another feature we see is untinted. So press and hold your iOS 18 beta 6 home screen, click on edit, then tap customize. Now, if you select tinted, you discover that the new iOS 18 beta 6 now use your iPhone theme for the tinted. So let's say you go to the lock screen on your iPhone like this, then change your theme. Then if you go back to the home screen, then turn on tinted, you discover that the new iOS 18 beta 6 now use your iPhone theme or wallpaper for your tinted. You see that? Yet another feature we found out in the new iOS 18 beta 6 is not in the tinted, and this is in the Dialer app. So the Dialer app now lets you just click on the contact on your iPhone to make a phone call. Instead of clicking on the contact to see the contact information, you can just click on the contact words like this, and this is going to progress with existing call. Now, if you want to now see the information about a contact or your call log on your iPhone on the recent iOS 18, all you just need to do is click on this information icon. Now, you see that this is going to reveal your information for you instead of the iOS 18 beta 5 that comes with when you click on the contact like this, revealing the contact information on your iPhone. So if you are still struggling to get the new iOS 18 beta either for public or for developer, you want to try this and what you stand to enjoy when this iOS 18 is officially released in September. So far there are few touch in the iOS 18 beta 6. So unlike the iOS 18 beta 5, so basically it's just a soft upgrade on the S16 beta 5. So you want to go ahead and try this. Just let me know anything, everything you think in the comment section.